Charming South Knoxville cottage on a large level lot. Enjoy the comfy front porch with a gate for children or pets. Nice floor plan with lots of natural light. 2 bedrooms and an extra office/flex room. Spacious kitchen offers newer appliances, including a portable dishwasher, and original retro metal cabinetry. All situated on a large level lot, with lots of extra parking. Storage shed in the back of the lot. Minutes to the urban wilderness and all things south. Washer and dryer remain. Great home or investment property.